Let's talk about bankruptcy. Here's the question you should answer before you file. Do you want the government to know about everything you own? I'm going to tell you about the things that you need to disclose, and that's the topic of this video. Hello again, everyone. I'm attorney Robert Flesses. If this is your first time here, now may be a good time to subscribe, because when you subscribe, you'll know where to go to get answers to your legal questions. Bankruptcies are filed in the federal bankruptcy court. That means that the federal government, under the supervision of the Department of Justice, will scrutinize the information that you provide in your petition to maintain the integrity of the process. Now, that's very important to know, because everything that you put in your bankruptcy petition is viewed by the government and submitted to them under the penalty of perjury. If you don't want the federal government to know all of your business, or if you think you're going to get away with not disclosing all your business, then you shouldn't file bankruptcy. Here are some of the disclosures that you'll make to the government. You'll be required to disclose a complete itemization of all of your real estate and personal property. Now, most people who file bankruptcy don't own real estate, nor do they own a lot of personal property. But many people in financial distress do. For example, the government requires you to disclose all the personal property in your home. You have to list all of the furniture you own, and that means everything in your living room, dining room, kitchen, bedrooms, basement if you have one, your garage and outdoor furniture and equipment that you use to maintain your home. Then you have to assign a value for every piece of that personal property. They're not looking for you to list, say, every spoon, fork, and butter knife that you own, but you also have to disclose, for example, any weapons that you own. You're also going to have to disclose all of your bank accounts, retirement accounts like a 401k, IRA, pensions, stocks, bonds, intellectual property, and health savings account, tax refunds, amounts that anybody owes you, whole life insurance policies, jewelry, security deposits held by your landlord, audio equipment and TVs, and much more. Next, you're going to disclose all the vehicles that you own. It's not just your cars and trucks, it's also snowmobiles, boats, jet skis, and other recreational equipment. You even need to disclose your pets. You'll also be disclosing where you work, how long you've worked there, how much you make, how much you made in the last 6 months, and your tax returns showing what you reported as income for the previous 2 years before filing your case. You'll disclose any source of income, including your Social Security, disability, and pension income. You'll also be required to list all of your monthly expenses. For example, how much do you spend on groceries every month? How much do you spend on your transportation costs, schooling, out-of-pocket medical expenses, car insurance, business expenses, rent or mortgage payments, home maintenance, laundry supplies, etc., etc., etc. Get the picture? I'm not trying to discourage you, but there's some people out there that should think about this before they file. There's a lot more to disclose, but we'll leave it right here in this video. I'm attorney Robert Flesses. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.